The carnivore diet, an all-meat lifestyle, is making waves in the world of nutrition. As we travel back in time, we see that this diet takes cues from our ancestors and the ways they ate to survive and thrive. Unmasking the carnivore diet, basics and philosophy. Imagine a diet with only animal products. That's the carnivore diet, a world where your meals come exclusively from meat. While it shares some traits with keto and paleo diets, its strict focus on animal products sets it apart from the rest. Historical glimpse. Were our ancestors carnivores? Exploring the past, it's clear our ancestors were inclined towards a meat-heavy diet. Anthropological evidence, from ancient tools to remnants of meals, paint a picture of early humans thriving on meats. The carnivore food pyramid. What's on the plate? What's on the carnivore menu? Everything from beef to fish, providing an abundance of choices. The key is avoiding anything not derived from animals. Even seasonings and cooking methods stay simple and animal-focused. Nutritional breakdown. Understanding the components. Breaking down the nutrition, the carnivore diet is rich in proteins and fats, essential for body energy and repair. Debunking common myths, it's clear that meats, especially organ meats, are packed with necessary vitamins and minerals. Potential benefits. Why some people swear by it. Why do some people choose this diet? The carnivore diet boasts digestive simplicity, mental clarity, and energy boosts. Some studies even suggest it might help reduce inflammation and certain autoimmune disorders. Debates and criticisms. The other side of the story. Critics question the diet's sustainability and its impact on the environment. Concerns also loom about potential nutrient deficiencies and the effects on heart health and cholesterol. Transitioning to carnivory. Tips for beginners. Transitioning to a carnivore diet? Start by gradually eliminating plant-based foods. This shift may bring challenges like digestive adjustments and dealing with social scenarios, but with patience, these can be overcome. Personal narratives. Stories from long-term carnivores. Hearing from long-term followers reveals real-life experiences, highs and lows, showcasing the transformative journeys of individuals and families embracing this all-meat diet. Re-evaluation. Is the carnivore diet right for you? Is this diet a good fit for you? It's crucial to listen to your body and consider your overall health. A balanced approach to diet, combined with other health practices, remains paramount. Conclusion. To meat or not to meat? In conclusion, the carnivore diet stands as a robust dietary option among many. Reflecting on the evolution of diets, each person must carve out their unique nutritional path in the vast landscape of diet choices.